and I am going to show you guys how to shop for affordable furniture online. Temu, no, they just be lying, child. They'll say spin the wheel, and then they say, okay, you get $100 rebate, and then they be talking about it comes in 5 bundles, then you got to make 5 per girl. We not about to do all of that, honey. Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another Vlogmas vlog, but y'all, this one is going to be a little bit different. Thought we could sit down, do a little shopping together, okay? Because we've been doing a lot of vlogs, and honey, I've been kind of neglecting doing my bedroom makeover. So we supposed to be doing a bedroom makeover, y'all. And what we really want to do is get some new nightstands. Now, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what the bedroom looked like per the last bedroom makeover. So girl, we need some new nightstands, okay? And you guys know that I am an online shopper. I don't go outside, and honestly, I think it's kind of hard to find things like nightstands, dressers, and things like that when you're just going out into the stores, because baby, who about to be running around all of these stores checking for everything? So y'all, I have my handy dandy phone here, honey, and I am going to show you guys how to shop for affordable furniture online. Honey, we are going to go... Yes, ma'am. I'm going to share my screen with you guys when I find something, but we're going over to Amazon first. We're going to go over here, and what I want to search is, let's see here. So we're going to share the screen with you guys. We're going to type in mid-century dresser. Okay. Actually, girl, what am I saying? Dresser. No, nightstand. What? And y'all let me type it in. Nightstands. Now what we want is like a nice kind of like wooden mixed with like some metals and everything. So y'all see, we're seeing some. Okay, this one is cute. This one here, girl, that one is cute. I like that. $55. Not bad. I love the aesthetic of it. It goes with the dresser that's in the bedroom right now. Oh, these are nice, but see, I don't like the white aesthetic. We're looking for something a little bit darker. But I do like this one. Let's click on it, girl, and take a peek, shall we? Okay, now this is cute. This is caramel oak. Okay, they have natural wood as well, which we love that. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, no. I like this one better. Yeah, and for $55, that is not a bad deal at all. Okay, now I'm just going to keep on looking, and when I find something, I'm going to share the screen with you guys. So let me tell y'all my inspiration, right? On my little Pinterest board, girl, you know, my Pinterest bedroom, it's just like a really nice, like moody, like mid-century, like romantic aesthetic, right? And right now we still have our original nightstands, which we got when we first moved into this apartment. You know, we just needed something, honey. I was tired of sitting my phone and my drinks and stuff like just on the side of the bed. So we needed something. But as we started curating our look, you know, putting our bedroom together, child, those nightstands just do not cut it. Okay, girl. And so we want something that still, you know, maybe has a drawer, you know, a nice open space for either decor or books or, you know, something like that. So that's the look that we are looking for. So let's continue. I can tell you right now, I don't want anything that has like lights, like LED lights on it. To me, they got played out real quick. You guys know the ones we have now have the LED lights. And although they are nice, just for, like I said, the look that we are curating in our bedroom, it just no longer goes with the bedroom aesthetic. So, oh, these are not bad. These right here. But like I said, I want a place to sit something at the bottom, and I don't want to have like a basket or nothing. You guys know we have a cat. Y'all know Jasper, honey, and he just likes to get in stuff. And see, I don't want anything with any LED lights or anything like that, so that's not going to fit the aesthetic much. Now, I keep coming across this one. That is actually really, really cute. Now, what we're also gonna do while we are shopping for affordable furniture, you guys know I love to do a price comparison, okay? So while we're looking at that, girl, let me screenshot it, honey. And we're gonna go over to Temu to see if they have this exact same one. I act like I don't know how to work my old phone, girl, because y'all know I use my new iPhone 17 Pro Max, baby, to film off on. So yes. But let's go over to Temu and see what Temu have. Y'all know I do a price comparison, and ain't no sense to piling up 1, 2, or 3. We're gonna go with the first one, girl. Now they asking me to spin the wheel, child. Okay, stop. Temu, no, they just be lying, child. They'll say spin the wheel, and then they say, okay, you get $100 rebate, and then they be talking about some. It comes in 5 bundles. Then you got to make 5 per. Girl, we not about to do all of that, honey. It's not about to happen. So we're gonna do the same thing. Let me share my screen with you guys, and we are going to type in mid-century nightstands. Okay. Voila. Ooh. Ooh, now y'all see that? Uh-oh. Now this is similar too, but y'all see the price, $74. Now, Temu has a lot of different vendors, right? A ton of different vendors. So you might be able to catch it for a similar price. Although, girl, they have some really cute ones over here. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. Lately, when I shop for affordable furniture online, I have been noticing like similar prices when it comes to certain pieces between Temu and Amazon. Okay, yeah, it looks like, girl, what did it say? Okay, 2, but still it looks a little wider, although I think I would like that. But these are very, very nice. If you are looking for any type of mid-century modern or just like a nice grown look, mid-century modern is the perfect Moody look for your bedroom, honey. We love that, honey. We are sipping on a little bit of wine while we do some online shopping because I like to romanticize it, right? You already are at home in your own vibe. Usually listen to some music, child, but I'm recording now, so we don't need no copyright or nothing like that, girl. But, you know, get you a little glass of wine, you know, romanticize your life all the time. And I love to do it, child, when we are shopping online. But, y'all, let me stop this. Let me stop sharing my screen. As y'all can see, we saw one, and it was $74 on Temu. So I'm heading back over to Amazon, honey, and we are going to go back and see what else do they have in regards to the mid-century nightstands. Because, you know, being a married woman, we don't want anything to, how can I put it, feminine in the bedroom. We want it more moody. We don't mind a touch of femininity, but we don't want like a fully, you know, feminine bedroom. That's just not our vibe. It wouldn't be mine even if even if I was a single lady, honey, it still would not be my vibe. But girl, I'm looking at these nightstands over on Amazon, and they are not badly priced at all. I am working with a brand for a campaign for a piece that's going to go into the bedroom. So I was like, we might as well just do a complete little bedroom makeover when we get that. And, you know, go ahead and seal the deal and just put it all together. So I'm looking around. Ooh. Ooh. Now, girl, this is cute. Let me share my screen, girl. This is cute. Let me share my screen with y'all, girl. This is so cute. I love talking to y'all on FaceTime. This is so nice. But, okay, so now they have different colors. So they have this color here, which goes with my credenza. Now, granted, I know it's not going to be in the living room, but I love to buy pieces that you can repurpose in your home. Meaning, if I wanted to bring it into the living room and use it as side tables, I could do that. And it also goes with the credenza. So we love that. Also, I may want to put the credenza in my bedroom one day and switch it out, bring the dresser in here. You know, I love doing things like that, like repurposing the furniture, moving them to different places in the home to bring a different aesthetic, a different vibe. But y'all, this is cute. I like the black one and I like the natural one. And $59, baby, that is not a bad deal. Hold on, are these people charging me for shipping? Oh, no, free shipping. We love that. Okay, so that is another one. All right, well, I can tell y'all right now. Okay, it's seeming that upon research, right? We done did a little research. We looked for a few on Amazon. We have looked for a few on Temu. And upon research, it seems, I don't want to say this because y'all know I love Temu. Girl, Amazon has better deals. I know. I am shocked myself. But I told you guys, that's why you have to do a price comparison, right? You go online. You say, what am I looking for? You look it up on one platform. You go to other platforms and look it up. And y'all know my other platform, honey. My go-to platform is Temu. That's where we go. And I was going to go on Wayfair, but I was like, I don't even think we're going to do that. So, you know, those are my two platforms, Amazon and Temu. Love them. And you can pretty much find so many different vendors and, you know, everybody like that on Amazon. So, I really like the first one. But y'all let me know which ones y'all think. And if y'all have any or see any that you think I would love, girl, copy it and put the link down in the comments for me so that I can check it out, because that's the look that we're going for. I love the ratting on it. I love it with like the nice wood, metal legs, you know, something like that, just to give that nice, like kind of moody, warm aesthetic for the bedroom. Y'all see where I'm going? Yes, ma'am. Okay, you guys, so I am back. So yeah, those are the nightstands that we are looking for the bedroom makeover. I think when we do that, then we will really know if we want to get a new bed or not. Right now, we love the bed, right? The only problem is, child, it is a queen size bed, and child, we need a king size bed, honey. When we travel, you know, and get the king size bed, honey, we enjoy it so much. It's like, oh, you wake up, oh, baby, you in the bed. I didn't even know you were still here, honey, because there's so much space in a king bed. But yeah, the queen, honey, it's getting a little tight, you know, especially during these wintertime months, honey, and menopause and all of that, girl. We might need a bigger bed. So thinking about that as well, but which will determine, you know, how big the nightstands are going to be. So I'm like, if I get nightstands that's like the size of these, then we'll be good. But if we get a king size bed, baby, I don't know if nightstands are going to fit on the side of it. At least not in that bedroom, which, you know, we are planning on moving because we, like I told y'all, it's just getting a little cramped up in here. Okay, we have been in this apartment, living in St. Louis for over 2 years. So yeah, that's what we are thinking about doing. But yeah, I think the nightstands, I think I'm going to show those to Babe. I'm going to have her select one, but y'all let me know which one is you guys' fave down below, because I just can't make my mind up. It's like I see the wooden one. Well, I'm really pretty much torn between like the black wood with the natural color ratting in the middle of it and like the natural color. So which one do you guys think, seeing our bedroom aesthetic, which one y'all think I should go with? The black or the natural, or like that caramel color? Like which one of those? It's gonna be one of those. We're not doing white. We're not doing that. We are not doing white at all. But yeah, we plan on getting them probably within the next like 2 weeks or so, 2 or 3 weeks, maybe at the beginning of the year, just for like a 2026 bedroom refresh. So yeah, y'all, I just want to come. I want to do a little online shopping with y'all, show y'all how I look for affordable furniture online, like affordable bedroom furniture, that is, honey, because those nightstands were really, really great prices. So I would love to get them here, you know, test them out, review them, and see how I love them or like them, or if I'll be sending them back. Okay, but y'all, that is gonna be the end of this Vlogmas video, honey. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. We have been rolling these videos out, so if you are new to my channel, if this is your first time seeing me, hey girl, hey boy, hey, subscribe if you like my content. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. You guys know that it helped me move around in the YouTube community to let other people know that we are pushing out content, okay? And also hype this video up, girl. It is this new thing that YouTube is doing, hyping up the videos, pushing out small creators like myself so that other people like you who are watching me right now can find other people that like me too. Okay, yes, they can find me too. And share this video as well. If you find this video being informative, or any of my other Vlogmas videos, go ahead and share it on your favorite platform. I appreciate you for that. But y'all, that's the end. Yes, ma'am. That's all. So let me know what you guys think about those nightstands down in the comments. And until next time, I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.